YouTube, what's poppin', man? About to give y'all boys a light rain POV. Had to get out here early to catch the rain while it was still raining, gang. Still a mid muffler delete. No straight pipe yet. As y'all can see, I got the windows tinted all the way around. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, man. That window tint did it for me. It made the Jeep just look totally different. I'm about to show y'all what I was talking about too, man. When you driving a Jeep, when it's raining, bro, the weather do not affect you in this car at all, man. I'm telling you. This was the main reason of me even selling the Charger and getting a Jeep, bro, cause it's about to start. It's November. It's about to start snowing real soon. Around this time, bro, when it get to snowing, I usually had a Charger put up for real, bro. Like, I still drive it cause that's my daily at the end of the day, but I try not to go out too much. You know, and we get snow bad up here in Michigan. Let me show y'all boys. Don't affect you in this car at all. Still drive it like it's normal, gang. I love this car, dog. And I got it. I usually keep it in auto for real. Oh, it's traffic up here. I'm about to come up. I usually keep it in auto, but when it starts snowing, I'm gonna see, cause it's a snow mode on here too. So I'm gonna see. Oh, the police got it blocked off. Get y'all boys this POV. I got on the freeway to really show y'all for real, for real. I'm gonna try to really get on it too, so y'all can hear the exhaust for real. And man, I've been trying to find those 5-inch tips for the Jeep. It's hard to find 5-inch tips to fit on the stock exhaust. So my man at the muffler shop was telling me, like, if I can't find none that fit, like, he'll make it fit type. So I ain't really want to go that route, but I'ma have to, man, cause it ain't nothing. I've been doing so much research, man. I can't find nothing. So if y'all know some 5-inch tips that'll fit on the stock exhaust for the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, let me know in the comments, man. Man, I'm about to come up, dog. It's too much going on. They doing construction on the other side. They stay messing with these freeways. It look like it's moving though. Get on here and get over. Be a good POV to show y'all in traffic anyways. You got to bully your way over in traffic and nigga. That's what you buy these cars for, man. You got to bully your way over it. Tell it, bro. Y'all probably think I'm over exaggerating it. I'm telling y'all, you not doing this in no scat, bro. I'm like, I just, even though it wasn't too crazy, I'm not about to just push down on the acceleration to get over like that in the scat, bro. I'm driving with cautious in that scat. I probably would have lost traction all the time, man. You're not doing this in the scat pack, bro. And definitely not a Hellcat. Mind y'all, it is raining, bro. This was the best thing I could have did, bro. I'm not even lying. I'm telling y'all, man. If you decide, you know, if you want a Jeep or a Charger or a Challenger, bro, get the Jeep, man. Unless, like, if you decided on, like, if you gonna daily them cars, bro, get the Jeep. Now, if you got another car and you want something to have fun in, I still say get the Jeep. No faking. The Jeep is just, man, it's an all-around car. Gonna lie, when I just did that, I felt a little spin a little bit now. That was my first time feeling something like that. You gonna get a little spin though still. You can't just cut up now while it's raining, no matter what type of car you in. But it caught as soon as it did it, it caught. And remind y'all, I got it in auto. I'm not even in all wheel. See, look, all wheel not even on 50/50. I got it on street still. This is my auto setup. Now, if I let me put it in all wheel, I gotta go to my custom. Should I put it on? Let me put it on. See, I got it on snow right now with the all wheel on. It feels like it's gripping to the ground way more though. I can say that. But it ain't aggressive like it just was. Yeah, it ain't aggressive like it just was. Back on auto. Yeah, everything just loosened back up. These the best settings to just cruise in, man. I throw it on eco. You got a paddle shifter on and off. Whenever I want to just play with it, I throw it in sport. Had the paddle shifters on. Stability control, street. All-wheel drive, street. Suspension, street. Steering, street. This is my cruising settings right here. I just cruise with these settings on. When I want to have a little fun, you go sport, everything sport. Or you go track. I like sport better than track though. But we cruising right now. I can't wait till that snow come though. I would love to see how this car perform in the snow. Well, I should have just, I don't know why I just did that. I should have looped around right there. Why I just did that. That was so body. Always ain't no turns. Man, y'all see, I'm just driving though, bro. That just goes to show you, bro. This is an all-around great daily driver car, dog. Can't beat this, man. Can't beat this. Literally just. What's on these 275? Nah, 295s all around. Yeah, 295s all around. 6-piston Brembos up front, 4 pistons in the back. All-wheel drive, man. Come on. I'm telling y'all, as soon as that snow hit, I'm gonna get a POV in for y'all. not gonna lie, my next car, cause I'm already looking at something new. But it's not like, I might have to keep me, yeah, bro. I'm gonna have to keep me a little, I might have to keep this around. Cause the next car I got planned, bro, I can't drive that, no snow, no rain, no none of that. That's strictly gonna be my little toy you just pull out, you just pop out in, you feel me? I'm a daily for the most part, but when that snow and that rain hit, I'm gonna have to pull this out. That's why I bought this though, bro. I know I was gonna keep this for a minute. I knew I was gonna have this for a minute. Alright, man, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you new. And I'm out, man.